discovered DNA music by converting the nucleotide bases G, T, C, and A to the musical notes A, C, G, and D, respectively. This intriguing revelation led to the question, if DNA can be translated into music, can music, in turn, affect or change our DNA? Sound, as we now know, possesses mass and has the ability to move matter. By delving into the study of cymatics and exploring the potential effects of music on DNA, we can begin to uncover the possibility of utilizing music as a healing tool. Susumu Ono's groundbreaking research in translating DNA sequences into melodious compositions opened a door to a realm of unexplored possibilities. By associating specific musical notes with nucleotide bases, Ono revealed the inherent musicality encoded within our genetic blueprint. This discovery not only ignited fascination, but also prompted profound questions about the reciprocal relationship between DNA and music. If DNA, the fundamental blueprint of life, can be transformed into music, what potential influence could music have on our genetic code? Ono's approach of converting DNA into harmonious melodies highlighted the underlying connection between the complex language of genetics and the universal language of music. DNA, consisting of 4 nucleotide bases, adenine, A, cytosine, C, guanine, G, and thymine, T, can be seen as a symphony of genetic information. Each base holds a distinct role in determining the genetic instructions that shape an organism. By associating musical notes with these nucleotide bases, Ono unveiled a profound interplay between the scientific and artistic domains. The translation process not only created beautiful compositions, but also provided insights into the inherent musicality within our genetic code. This revelation sparked a deep curiosity about the reciprocal relationship between DNA and music, whether music, in turn, could influence or impact our genetic makeup. Considering the intricate nature of DNA and the complexity of musical compositions, one might ponder the potential effects music could have on our genetic code. Music, as a powerful medium that evokes emotions, has long been recognized for its capacity to elicit physiological and psychological responses in individuals. It can ignite joy, calmness, excitement, or introspection, transcending language and cultural barriers. If music has the ability to affect our emotions and well-being, could it also have a tangible impact on our DNA? While scientific evidence in this area is still emerging, preliminary studies suggest that music may indeed have the potential to influence genetic expression and cellular processes. The field of epigenetics explores the factors beyond DNA sequence that can influence gene expression. It acknowledges that external factors, such as environmental stimuli and lifestyle choices, can modify the way genes are expressed. Sound, as a form of stimulus, may also be capable of triggering epigenetic changes within our cells. Furthermore, recent research has shown that sound waves can affect cellular activity. For instance, specific frequencies have been found to stimulate or inhibit the growth of cells, influence protein synthesis, and even modulate the release of neurotransmitters. These findings suggest that music, as a combination of harmonious frequencies, could potentially interact with our cellular processes, including DNA-related mechanisms. The field of cymatics offers a captivating perspective on the relationship between sound, vibrations, and the formation of intricate geometric patterns in various substances. By studying the visual representations of sound waves in materials like sand or water, researchers have made remarkable discoveries about the vibrational energy emitted by sound. This exploration into the realm of cymatics raises intriguing questions about the potential impact of music, which consists of complex sound waves, on the human body, including our DNA. Cymatics has revealed that specific sound frequencies can generate mesmerizing patterns in matter. As sound waves travel through a medium, they cause the particles within that medium to vibrate. These vibrations, when organized and coordinated, manifest as intricate geometric shapes that can be observed and studied. The notion that sound waves have the power to visibly change matter leads us to consider the possibility that music, with its rich and intricate collection of sound waves, may possess the ability to influence not only our physical surroundings, but also the very essence of our being, our DNA. When we listen to music, we experience a symphony of different frequencies and harmonies. Each musical note corresponds to a specific frequency and wavelength, creating a complex tapestry of sound. These musical vibrations, just like any other sound waves, have the potential to interact with our bodies at a fundamental level. Within our bodies, DNA serves as the blueprint for life, containing the genetic instructions that shape who we are. It is composed of nucleotide bases, and each base has its own vibrational properties. Given that sound waves can affect the vibrational patterns in matter, it is not far-fetched to hypothesize that music, as a collection of intricate sound waves, might influence the vibrational state of our DNA. The potential influence of music on DNA brings to mind the concept of resonance. Resonance occurs when two objects share similar frequencies, causing one object to vibrate in response to the vibrations of the other. It is possible that the resonant frequencies present in music could interact with the vibrational frequencies of our DNA, creating a harmonious resonance within our cells. If music has the power to influence the vibrational state of our DNA, it could potentially impact gene expression, cellular processes, and ultimately, our overall well-being. This opens up a new realm of possibilities for utilizing music as a therapeutic tool, capable of restoring balance and promoting healing at a fundamental level. The exploration of sound and vibration on the human body has been the subject of numerous studies. One fascinating area of investigation is sound therapy, which has demonstrated its ability to promote relaxation, reduce stress, and enhance overall well-being. It has been observed that the resonant frequencies emitted by various musical instruments can stimulate different physiological responses in individuals, highlighting the profound influence that sound and vibration can have on our bodies. When considering the impact of sound and vibration on DNA, it is crucial to recognize that DNA is not simply an inert molecule. Rather, it possesses inherent vibrational frequencies that contribute to its functioning. These frequencies play a crucial role in the stability and integrity of our genetic material. Disruptions or disturbances to these frequencies can lead to genetic mutations or alterations, which can have significant consequences for our health and well-being. Given the vibrational nature of DNA, it is plausible to suggest that music, as a powerful source of vibrations, has the potential to interact with our genetic material at a fundamental level. The intricate collection of sound waves in music generates vibrations that can permeate our bodies, reaching deep within our cells. Through this perspective, music could be viewed as a medium capable of resonating with the vibrational frequencies of DNA. The resonant frequencies within music may align with or influence the vibrational frequencies of our genetic material, potentially leading to physiological and even epigenetic changes. Epigenetics, the study of heritable changes in gene expression that do not involve alterations to the DNA sequence, provides a framework to understand how music might impact our DNA. Epigenetic modifications can be influenced by external factors such as environmental stimuli, lifestyle choices, and potentially sound vibrations. By affecting the vibrational frequencies of DNA, music might modulate gene expression, potentially influencing cellular processes and overall physiological responses. This opens up a fascinating realm of inquiry into the potential use of music as a therapeutic tool to promote wellness and restore balance within our bodies. From ancient civilizations to modern times, music has been intertwined with the concept of healing and restoration. Ancient cultures recognized the therapeutic effects of certain melodies and rhythms, utilizing music to promote physical and emotional well-being. In recent years, scientific research has shed light on the physiological impact of music, revealing its potential to influence various bodily functions. Listening to music has been shown to have measurable effects on heart rate, blood pressure, stress hormone levels, and even immune system activity. These findings suggest that music possesses the remarkable ability to interact with our physiological processes, influencing our overall health and well-being. If music can have such a significant impact on these physiological aspects, it is reasonable to speculate that it may also possess the potential to influence our DNA at a molecular level. DNA, as the fundamental blueprint of life, plays a crucial role in determining our genetic makeup and maintaining our cellular processes. The vibrational frequencies present in music may hold the key to its potential influence on DNA. DNA itself possesses inherent vibrational frequencies, and disruptions to these frequencies can result in genetic mutations or imbalances. By aligning specific musical frequencies with the vibrational frequencies of DNA, it is possible that music could restore harmony and balance within our genetic blueprint. Research in the field of bioacoustics suggests that certain frequencies and harmonies can resonate with specific parts of the body. Just as a skilled musician tunes their instrument to produce harmonious sounds, it is conceivable that music, when carefully composed and attuned, could create resonances that interact with the vibrational frequencies of our DNA. The potential healing influence of music on DNA extends beyond the realm of mere speculation. Studies have indicated that music therapy can impact gene expression, altering the activity of genes associated with stress response, inflammation, and immune function. This suggests that music has the ability to initiate epigenetic changes, modifying gene expression patterns without altering the underlying DNA sequence. Furthermore, emerging research in the field of psychoneuroimmunology reveals the intricate connection between mind, body, and the immune system. Music has the capacity to evoke emotional and psychological responses, which can subsequently modulate immune system activity. These immunomodulatory effects may further contribute to the potential healing influence of music on our DNA. One particular frequency that has gained attention is 432 Hz. Proponents of this frequency argue that it possesses a unique resonance with the human body and the natural world, promoting harmony and balance within our DNA. Advocates claim that listening to music tuned to 432 Hz can induce a profound sense of well-being and even facilitate healing at a cellular level. Moreover, sound-based therapies such as isochronic tones and binaural beats offer further opportunities to experience specific frequencies. Isochronic tones are single tones that pulse on and off at specific intervals, while binaural beats involve presenting two slightly different frequencies to each ear, resulting in the perception of a third frequency. These techniques can be utilized to target specific brainwave states and induce desired effects such as relaxation, focus, or enhanced creativity. Solfeggio frequencies are another fascinating aspect of specific frequencies that have gained attention in recent years. These frequencies, including 396 Hz, 417 Hz, 528 Hz, 639 Hz, 741 Hz, and 852 Hz, are believed to have unique properties that resonate with different aspects of our well-being. Each frequency is associated with specific intentions, such as releasing negative energy, facilitating change, promoting DNA repair, enhancing relationships, stimulating intuition, and awakening spiritual connections. To explore and experience the multitude of specific frequencies for different body functions and well-being enhancements, a wide range of resources and programs are available. By clicking the link in the description, you can access a comprehensive program that offers an extensive library of sounds, including isochronic tones, binaural beats, solfeggio frequencies, and more. This program provides a convenient and customizable way to select and immerse yourself in the frequencies that resonate with your intentions and desired outcomes. While the concept of altering DNA through specific frequencies is still an area of ongoing exploration, the potential to influence our well-being at a cellular level is both captivating and inspiring. By utilizing specific frequencies such as 432 Hz and solfeggio frequencies and engaging in sound-based therapies, we have the opportunity to create harmonic resonance within ourselves, potentially promoting positive changes in our DNA and overall health. In conclusion, specific frequencies hold immense potential for altering our DNA and enhancing our holistic well-being. Utilizing resources like the program available through the provided link allows you to explore and access a vast array of sounds. By immersing ourselves in these frequencies, we open the door to the transformative power of sound, potentially unlocking the ability to positively influence our DNA and experience profound well-being.